Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book an appointment in RBC Online Banking. First thing I want you to do is sign into your online banking, and then from the account summary page you select customer service, the top navigation bar. Now you scroll down, you choose personal or business. For booking an appointment, we'll choose personal. It'll ask you what you would like to meet about. So you select whatever is applicable to you. So let's say it is banking, you select that. We have many more options here as well. If you want credit cards or loans, you can select the other one. And then you scroll down here and you select the main topic you'd like to discuss about. So if you want to open a new account, choose this one. We'll choose my existing account. It'll ask you how you would like to connect. They have different options. They have in person, where you meet at a branch. You'll have to select the branch later, or you can meet by phone as well. And this is another feature that is coming soon, which is video conference. You select the one that is applicable to you, click on continue, and you just follow the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.